Hello, my name is Scott Thompson. I am an instructor here at Broadway Family Karate. Today's video tutorial will be on the Double Inner Forearm Block. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and just take a basic look at the block itself. Okay, we're going to go ahead and start out of, we're going to do this block out of a front stance. So let's go ahead and get our feet set first before we even start with the block. So I'm going to go ahead get into a nice front stance, that front leg bent, back leg straight, nice and wide. I'm going to go ahead and close both of my hands into nice tight fists, thumbs on the outside, good squeeze. My chamber position is going to be, my arms are going to be about shoulder high, fists are touching, and I'm going to be back here towards my back hip, because I am going to use the twist of my hips to help power the block. So I don't want to be up here coming to this position. I'm going to kind of go back here. So I am fist to fist. Okay? My front hand is basically going to come out into just a regular inner forearm block. My second back hand braces against the elbow. It just gives extra support to my inner forearm block. Okay? Basically just come through and then the block. A little twist and block. So inner forearm block, the back hand. I was palm down here, just right into the elbow, just to give the extra support. I'll twist and block. Double inner forearm block. Double inner forearm block. And double inner forearm block. Let's go ahead and look at that from the side so you can get a good angle from that side. Back, good front stance, front leg bent, back leg straight, nice and wide. Okay, so I'm chambering off to the side, fist to fist. Okay, as I come through with that twist, okay, my front hand is doing the inner forearm block, my back hand is supporting straight up or horizontal right into the elbow. So I'm here and block, block, and block. Okay, keeping both wrists straight, everything nice and straight. Nice tight fist, good powerful block. We're going to go ahead and take a look at these on a blocker. So we're going to do both of these blocks, or this block on a blocker, both as a stationary blocker, on a thrust, and then a haymaker towards the back of the head. So I'm going to have Mr. Discipline go ahead and shift out here with a blocker. Thanks, sir. Okay. He's going to go ahead and start by just holding the blocker in nice and close. It's not going to move. It's going to be right in your face. Okay. Go ahead and set your stance. You want to make sure you are in a good front stance, a good wide front stance, because that will help with your twist of the block. So I've got a good front stance. Starting back behind here, I've got hands are fist to fist, nice and tight. I'm going to do a little twist. Just come through, and I'm just going to push the blocker to the side. Okay? So it's not going to move. It's going to stay right there. It's going to come through and push the blocker away. Okay? Do that for a few times. Once you get the technique down, you feel pretty comfortable with it, I'm going to go ahead and have my partner, he's going to pull it back, and he's going to go ahead and thrust the blocker towards my face. He's going to start nice and slow. Go. And I'm just going to come through and block. Just like that. Okay. Good. And you got a nice strong position. Just like that. A little more difficult with it moving towards you. You kind of have to time it a little bit better, especially if you're going to put that twist into your hip. Once you feel comfortable with that, he's going to go ahead and bring it towards the back of my head, more as an intercepting block. This one is actually a little bit easier because it's easier to time, but it'll be coming in a lot harder, so you'll actually have to really get a good twist and come through very strong, good support with the backhand to block it. Just like that. Good. As you can see, I'm not redirecting it like I was to the thrust in. I'm basically just stopping the strike as it comes through. Just like that. Very good. Much harder for the haymaker. You really have to kind of work on getting that good twist in a really good position. It was a little easier because the timing's The timing's better to figure out, but it is a harder strike. Go ahead, practice that technique in the air, okay? Make sure you've got the good stance, get everything started in the correct position, fist, palms down, come through, just an inner forearm block. That back fist just supports right up against the elbow, just makes it a whole lot stronger. Okay, practice in there, then work with it with a partner. Start it with a stationary, then go ahead and use it against the thrust towards the face, and then finally go ahead and use it against the haymaker towards the side of the head. Okay, that is our video tutorial for the day. That is on the double inner forearm block from the front stance. Thank you very much for watching.